When we use smart block, I noticed that it is cost-effective compared to conventional. It's tougher and stronger, and it's easy to use.
Using the smart block, I can earn some savings on the labor, and then for the plastering works and some redo or the back job. In totality, I finish the project faster. I have more savings.
Since it's smoother, you end up with far less consumption of plastering material. I'm expecting something like 5mm thickness only. If you've seen those not so even PHB wall constructions, they go as far as an inch.
When we build with conventional hollow blocks, Model A, I would call it, it would take us 6 months. When we shift to smart blocks, it dropped down to 5 months. Model B would take us 8 months with a conventional block. When we shift to smart blocks, it took us 6 months.
The smart block technology is more than 50% efficient, and the work that is being done is 50% less than conventional type. And it saves time more than 40 to 50% also.
The product lends itself to its workability with many different conditions. It reduces cost in the end. It speeds up the work. It's not complex, it's not complicated.
Very convenient, especially for the workers, to use smart masonry compared to conventional. They were really amazed about the product because parang sila nagbibuild ng blocks, ng Lego.
One of the beautiful things about the technology, you've got the tongue and groove, which aligns perfectly. And so when you lay the block, you already have a flush wall. You don't have to have a very thick plaster to make up for misalignment.
For me, as a civil engineer, without using columns or beams are somewhat impossible. And now that I've seen it with my own eyes, it's actually possible.
When you compute it, it's around, I think if I'm going to compute it, it's around 15% cheaper, 10 to 15% cheaper from the conventional blocks.
Compared to traditional CHB, I think I have a savings of around 50%.
We're looking at a 20% savings in terms of time and speed and manpower. We're very happy with smart blocks.
And I believe that because of these blocks, we actually reduced our cost somewhere between 10 to 15% because we finished the building earlier.
We don't use mortars in between the blocks. Cheaper labor, at the same time, it's tougher and stronger compared to the conventional. Based on my observation, we are 1 month ahead of our projects because of the smart masonry.